and shopping at Sephora again. So I'm going to share with you what I got. It's actually not a huge haul, it's just a few items. Most of them are actually trial sample kind of items, so I'm very excited to share those with you. So I'll share with you the trial items first that I exchanged, okay? Sorry, excuse my hair. I haven't been to the salon for over a year now, so my hair is really bad. But anyways, okay. So this is the first item. Okay. It is a pineapple, enzyme papaya, enzyme AHA, BHA, one use sample. Gentle, simple, effective. It's from Wishful. Let's open the package. Don't you like opening packages? I do. 5 pouches, not bad. It has a healthy glow, retexturizing, brightening, and even skin tone. Immediate results, yay! Okay, so it's a scrub, okay? So I'm actually kind of excited to use this. It looks really, I don't know, looks nice. Enzyme scrub. Here is something else that I have exchanged. Okay, this is, I don't know if I pronounced it correctly, Caudalie. Caudalie. It's a Radiance serum. Okay. So again, obviously one-time use, oil-free, use it for your face and neck. Anyways, that's another exchange that I did. I love these little tubes, little bottles, they're so cute. Okay. Biossance. And I actually heard a lot of things about this brand. It's supposed to be very clean, organic, so I'm excited to try this out. So this is a serum, a night serum. It's a facial serum with 10% vegan lactic acid, exfoliates skin overnight, plant-derived. So that sounds pretty natural. I'm actually trying to get all my skincare to be more on the natural and organic side, so I'm gonna have to make some more purchases very soon. Okay. Clean, conscious, high performance. Massage 1 to 2 pumps onto cleansed face nightly, and then follow with moisturizer. So let's open it. Let's see. So I keep my nails really short because I don't like long nails. Okay, so sometimes it's hard to get my fingers in to open stuff. Okay, here's what it looks like. I'm very excited to try these things. See, and then if I like it, I'll just buy a bigger bottle. Okay. Let me know if you've tried this brand before. I've heard so many good things about it. Next one, this is another Caudalie Purifying Gel Cleanser, which is great because I'm actually running out of cleanser. So this will last me until I actually buy more products. Okay, and I've heard that this brand is pretty clean as well, which is good. Okay, so it's just a cleanser. Nothing special or particular about it. Very cute. Small tube. Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Synchronized Multi-Recovery Complex. All skin types. Use in the morning and night before moisturizing. Okay. Oh, it's sealed. That's okay. I'm just gonna rip it up because I'm gonna open it up anyways. Okay. Oh, it's so cute. Look at these little bottles. And then when you're finished using them, do you guys throw it away? Because I'm like, oh, maybe I should throw it away. But then, oh, I'm like, it's so cute. Okay, next one up. Oh, Sunday Rally. Okay, I think I used maybe 1 or 2 samples before, but I don't know. I heard so many good things again about this brand. All clean products. This is C.E.O. 15% vitamin C. Brightening serum. So Sunday Rally, very excited to try this. Let me know, guys, if you've tried any of these brands below. Let me know what you think about them. Okay. Ooh, Clinique. Okay. I've used some of their products before, eye cream and stuff like that. This is Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm. These tiny little jars and bottles. Oh, it's so pretty. Look, it's purple. I love this color. It's so nice. Very cute. Can't wait to open this. Always so nice and new, you know? Last one in the box, okay? Okay, I don't know how to pronounce this. Is this OUAI? OUAI? It's actually all vowels. Anyways, body cream. I have not heard of this brand, have not tried it. So I am eager again to try this as well. Has a bit of a smell. A little too strong, but it's not too bad. So there's like coconut oil in here, which is pretty good. Okay, so this is the last product that I got with my points. And along with this shipment, I actually got this one. Hyaluronic Serum, Plump. That's hard to say actually. Plump. Deep Hydration Glow. So this is from Glow Recipe. Again, I've heard a lot of things about this product. I'm very eager to try it. I'd actually been wanting to try this for a while, but I just haven't gotten around to buying one. So this is the Plump Hyaluronic Serum, Deep Hydration and Glow. It's vegan, cruelty-free. I'm gonna open this up. Oh, it's sealed. Okay, hang on, I'll be right back. I gotta cut this. Okay guys, I opened it and I took a peek inside and I gotta show you guys, okay? So here's the top, okay? Lift up the lid. Look, it's so cute. There's this thingy here and it just tells you what the product is, okay? And then I'm gonna lift this up like that and it's in there, isn't it pretty? Oh my god. This is like the nicest packaging ever. So it says, hey Glow Gang, visibly plump skin with juicy plum and hyaluronic acid. Ah, I love it. Okay, I almost don't want to take it out because it's so nice. But you see, there are patterns and pictures on the side of the box inside. I don't know if you guys can see it clearly at all. Okay. Woo! So yeah, this is the first time I've gotten a Glow Recipe product and it's so cute. So look at this bottle. The color, and it's actually, it has a good weight to it. Ooh, so cute. I can't wait to be using this for a while. And obviously, you know, I also do beauty product reviews. So once I use some of these products here that I've gotten today, I will share a quick beauty review on what I thought of it. I also just don't want to like test it now and just show you guys because I want to be able to use it for at least a few weeks so I can get like an honest review of what I think about the product. Okay, so that's everything I got in this shipment. I hope you liked the share. Let me know if you guys use any of these products. I really want to know what you guys think of it. And that's all for today. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much.